Okay, so tracking booked appointments using Highlevel is by far the easiest of all the solutions I've presented so far. Don't ask me how they do it. It's beyond my expertise, but Highlevel has built appropriate tracking. So in this case, it is once again an iframe on my website. Obviously, I'm using Highlevel. And then when someone books, when they come into here, it shows you the traffic source for the booked appointment. And I can confirm that for this particular individual, I gave her my link directly. So that's why it says direct traffic, because she reached out via email and I just gave her the link. So she came in from direct. But Highlevel definitely provides the best attribution. They designed the platform for marketers and advertisers, so attribution has always been pretty important to them. It's not perfect, but for the purpose of this video where we're setting up calls and tracking calls and sourcing calls, it works pretty good. Now, the one caveat is it works great if it's in an iframe. If you're sending them to a funnel in Highlevel and the URL is different than where you're sending your paid traffic, like Google Ads going to my website and then going to a funnel page, which is a different URL, then you're going to have to use this. But if all you're doing is like what I did here, which is embedding the calendar in an iframe on the website, you're good to go, and takes 2 seconds and you get automatic attribution inside the platform.